Good morning and welcome to Kelly's Anesthesia Tips. Well, it's July already, so I'm just going to do a real quick one. It's busy month again. And hopefully I'll get to some of my other list later. But this morning I ran across a story that reminds me of the importance of the people behind us. So this story, which I'll share in the links if you've not heard of it, is about Captain Charles Plum, who was kept prisoner of war for over 5 years and survived. But years later, he ran into someone who recognized him that he didn't recognize, and it was the sailor who packed his parachute. So he used that encounter to be a motivational speaker. I was never fortunate enough to hear him, but his reminder is that we need to think about the people that are behind us, that help us survive and thrive. And it's not just work, it's, the personal things in your life that affect your work life as well. You guys know how I always like to end, because I do believe in kindness, and we have so many other things that happen to us that try to pull us down, but we have to remember the things that motivate us. So hopefully this story will motivate you as well. So I did ask, I said, okay, first, is the story true? Yes, it's true. So what do I do next? Can you share the importance of kindness with me? This is my relationship with AI right now. I check it to make sure things are good. I research them. Sometimes when people ask me questions, I'll share a quick response from AI and say, here, try this and see if it helps. But, here I share the importance of kindness. So kindness functions as what we need to survive, not just psychologically, but socially, and it affects our health as well. So not even realizing this, I did learn this morning, that kindness triggers the release of oxytocin or oxytocin, which lowers blood pressure and protects the heart. So we all need to be doing that. So I'm going to share this, and then I'm going to share something real quick, because who packs my parachute? My husband. He has been behind me all of the way. He's not the only one. I was fortunate enough to have good parents. I was fortunate enough to be able to share those parents with my husband for a very long time. I had mentors in my life throughout the way. I've mentioned her before, but Nicole Too Good, was the motivation behind what I believe to be my whole mission in life, which is to support the anesthesia field. Never would have guessed it, but yes. And other people along the way that have been mentors and kind and sharing, and that's motivational for me. So I'm going to end it. I'll put these links. Thank you to the man behind me. We are celebrating our 45th year this year of marriage. And so I hope that you have someone behind you as well. If not, try to find that support through a mentor or a friend. I end with my be kind to one another and generous with your knowledge. I know I say support anesthesia meetings, but today I'm also going to say, who is packing your parachute? Remember to look for someone to be supportive of you. And I will see you next time with some true good anesthesia tips.